If the Premiere Pro is taking too long to export your video, here is how to speed it up. First, open your Premiere Pro and then adjust the preferences. Open your project and then after click on Edit in the top left corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, go ahead and select Preferences, which is in the bottom of this menu. Now click on General. Ensure that GPU acceleration is turned on and click on the memory from the left-hand side of the screen, which is between Media Cache and Playback. Then click on this drop-down menu right here and select the performance. Click on OK to save the changes. Now click on the Export button for your project. Click on the File option right here, click on Export, click on Media. And before you export, in this tab right here, make sure that the Use Maximum Render Quality is checked. And also check the option of Render at Maximum Depth under the Video section. Then go to the bitrate settings under Video, click on this drop-down menu and select CBR. Set the target bitrate to 12. And after applying all these changes, go ahead and click on Export option and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.